If iPhone screen is going black, then here is the fix. The very first fix is, the quick fix is to force restart the phone. So for that, what you have to do, you have to just press the volume up button once, down button once, and then press and hold the right side key. Okay, keep it pressed. Do not leave this key. Okay, the right side key, the power key. Do not leave it, and wait for a few seconds. Okay, until the Apple logo appears in the center of the screen. Once it appears, you can leave the power button, and that's it. You have forcefully restarted your iPhone, and you will come out of the black screen in iPhone instantly, and it will fix your issue. Now, if it happens again and again, then what may be the reason? The main reason for this may be the full storage issue in your iPhone. So just go to settings and scroll down and find general, and scroll down and find iPhone storage, and make sure there is enough storage, at least 5% of the storage left. Okay, in my case is enough storage is left, but in your case, if your storage is almost full, try to delete some long videos or large files to free up some space in iPhone. If it also does not fixes your issue, the third and the final fix is try to restart your iPhone. So just go to settings, try to update your iPhone. So just go to settings, scroll down and find general, tap on it, tap on software update, and make sure your software is up to date. If it is not, download the latest software update, and then if your software is up to date, your problem will be fixed. Thanks guys. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel.